When you look at your Twiddler, you'll notice that the keypad has no markings. That's because you get to customize each key to your liking. Let's check it out. To tune your Twiddler, head over to tuner.mytwiddler.com. If it's your first time using Twiddler Tuner, you'll need to make a new account. Once you're in, look for the plus button under My Config Files. Click it and choose Twiddler 4. Here, you can upload a configuration someone shared with you, create a new one based on the default layout, or start fresh with an empty file. Let's start by making a new config based on the default layout. You'll see a new entry pop up at the bottom of My Config Files table. Select that new file to edit. Now, find the chord that you want to change and click the Edit button on the left. In the editor, type in the new output you want in the text box. It could be a different letter, a word, or any string of texts, like your email. Don't forget to hit Apply to confirm your changes, and then click Save to save your new config. To get these changes onto your Twiddler, press the Download button and select which config slot you want to save it as. Slot 1 is 1.cfg, Slot 2 is 2.cfg, and Slot 3 is 3.cfg. With your Twiddler plugged into your computer, you should see the Twiddler file. Paste the new config you just downloaded there. Eject and unplug the USB from your Twiddler. Your new configuration should be good to go.